Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today we have a look on this palette right here. This is BH Cosmetic. This is Sugar Cane. This is an 8-color shadow palette. It comes with mattes and shimmers. I don't think these are duochromes at all. You tell me. But this is how the palette is looking. So if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. I also did 2 other looks on 2 different palettes. Buy them. They have 6 palettes in total. So I will have that linked in the description box. So if you are new to my channel and you like what you see, subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, girl, let's get into it. Alright, so I have my Eyebase with the Louise as usual. I have it in the shade Rumor 0.5. So yeah, I have not filmed in like a long time. I was about to be like, bye YouTube. But so right now, as everyone can see, like it's a crazy time right now. So it's leaving like an effect on everyone, including myself. So I'm like, I don't know. But yeah, it was just a moment. So I'm back and all that. You know how you get discouraged sometimes and whatnot, or you just don't feel in a mood, or you know, not interested due to, you know, stuff that's been going on lately and whatnot. But anywho, let's jump into finishing this. So the shade that I do want to use is Delicious. Where is it at? Right here. So I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Alright y'all, so next I'm going in with the shade Homemade, which is this shade right here. As you can see, this shade that I used, which was Delicious, that one damn near matches my skin tone, so it don't look like I put any eyeshadow primer on. But anyway, I'm about to go in with the shade Homemade and put it in this eye area. I forgot the name of it, y'all. Help me out, help me out. Is it the inner eye? I don't know. But I'm just going to add it right here. I'm just going to add it all right here and then blend. But yeah, I'm just going to pack it. Okay, so as you can see, this palette is clearly going to be a soft glam palette. As you can see, I did apply the shade Delicious, which is this shade right here, the darkest one. I wish they had a shade darker, but like I said, this is probably going to be classified as a soft glam, which is great. We always need a soft glam and a glam palette. So next I'm going to go in and cut my crease. About to go in with 2 shimmer shades for my lid, which is this shade and this shade. Alright y'all, so I purchased some Huda Beauty foundation. This is the Flox Flox Filter foundation. I'm not sure if this is full coverage or not. I'm pretty sure you guys know because this is a well-known foundation. But it was recently on sale on Sephora for $24. And you know I had to take advantage because it was originally $48. So yeah, I'm going to try that. I have this in the shade Coco 51. Coco, and the number is 510R. So yeah, hopefully I like this.
Eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it end. It end, it end, it end. Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Why do we keep on keeping secrets?
Okay, y'all, so I had to finish doing my face off camera. My mom called. So yeah, I'm at the part where I'm doing my under eye. And I'm just smoking it out. Hey y'all, so I am back with the final look. This is how it's looking. So I had to do my makeup off camera. For the most part, I had to take a phone call. But yeah, this is how the makeup is looking. It's popping, it's cute. I don't have any cons or anything to say about this palette. I know that this is a tutorial, but it blended well. I had minimum fallout. I don't have any creasing with this. I did review 2 last palettes and I did not experience any creasing. The blending is nice and the pigmentation on this is nice, but do keep in mind that I do use a real light base eye primer. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope all is well and I hope everybody's staying positive and motivated and productive. Love you all and thank you for tuning in. Bye.